Hi everyone, and welcome for today's lesson. This is just a random algebra problem. So we will solve for x. So first step is to expand both sides. So we will multiply 3 dito and 2 dito. Okay, using PEMDAS rule again. So 3x, 3 times x is 3x, minus 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2, retain lang yung 2, is equals to 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 5 is 10, this is positive, plus 6. So magiging siyang 3x, negative 12 plus 2 is negative 10 is equals to 2x. This is positive 10 plus 6 is 16. Okay. Next, move variable to one side. So itong may x, ilipat mo itong sa kabila. So magiging siyang 3x. Pag linipat sa kabila yung 2x, di magiging negative 2x is equals to 16. Pag linipat ang negative 10 dito sa kabila, magiging siyang positive 10. Okay? So, x is, this is 3x minus 2x, di magiging na lang siyang x is equals to 16 plus 10 is 26. So, x is 26. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. See you again to many more random algebra problems. Thank you.